Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Muslim calendar follows the lunar calendar, which is called Hijri calendar, in which the calendar counts time from the first sight of the moon and lasts approximately 29.5 days. Muharram means forbidden because battles are forbidden in this month. Safar means void. Rabiul Awwal means first spring. Rabiul Sani means the second spring. Jamadul Awwal, the first of parched land. Jamadul Sani means the second month of parched land. Rajab means respect, honor. Shaban means scattered. Ramzan means burning heat. Shawwal means raised. Dhul means the one of truce or sitting. Zulhijjah means the one for pilgrimage.